Alright guys, welcome to this lecture. Variable scope. Scope defines where variables can be accessed. There are two major types, local and global scope. Local variables exist only inside a function, whereas global variables are defined outside any function and accessible from anywhere. Let's take a look at local scope example. Def function, inside it we are creating a variable and assigning a value of 10 to it. Next we are printing this function. Here x is local. Trying to access it outside the function will give you an error. Now let's take a look at a global scope example. First we are creating a variable x and we are defining a value of 5 to it. And next we are creating a function show where we are printing the value of x. Here x is global and accessible inside the function. Next, if you want to modify a global variable inside a function, use global. Yes friend. Say for example, x equals 5. Let's create a function change. Mention here global x. Now change the value to 10. X equals 10. This changes the value of x, the global x, to 10. Yes friend. Alright, so that's it for this lecture where we have discussed about local scope and global scope. And also we have discussed using the global keyword. Alright guys, see you in our next lecture where we will take a look at lambda functions.